We made it downstairs. That was fast.
Almost there, yeah.
Get in. Drinks.
It's the how to eat it.
And there's some more soy sauce. Lit.
Very excited.
Yeah. I'm so excited for this. I'm so hungry.
Sear both sides, dip in your sauce. Good to go.
Oh my god. Here for now. Oh my god. You got the same thing as with yam.
I'm just gonna let you taste it first.
Put the yam over the rice.
It's so good.
It's so good. Alright, we're gonna eat. That was so good.
Oh, quick recap, huh?
Oh yeah.
It's a very small space, but they have this thing. It's like, oh, pardon me. I don't even know where we're going. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. Let me gather my thoughts. All right. So if you guys are ever in Japan and you guys see Ichini-san, take your ass inside and order yourself. It's like raw. How do you describe it? It's like raw fried sirloin steak.
Yeah. It's a
That you
steak.
grill on a hot plate yourself. The raw sides for like 10-20 seconds. You dip it in some ponzu, horseradish. Delectable. Where are we off to now, baby girl?
Eat some crepes.
Let's go. Alright, we'll check in with you in a little bit.
Japan's always building something, man.
What?
They're always building something.
I don't know. Well, they can't build out, so they gotta build up.
We're now heading to Harajuku. I'm getting my crepes.
Crazy crepe.
I want
Gravy.
crepes. I see BTS everywhere.
That's for Jimin.
Oh yeah.
My little sister loves that.
She got it all over her room.
All over. I gotta look for BTS stuff for her too when I go to Korea.
Right, so we just got out of the station, took a quick left, and now we're gonna be at Takashita Street.
Oh yeah. Looking for them crepes. Right here?
Yep, this is Takashita Street. Harajuku gets super busy. Last time we were here, they weren't open yet.
Yeah, we walked by the crepes.
Yeah, but nothing was open yet.
Yeah.
Ball t-shirt.
I don't know if these are all legit, you know?
Yeah.
That's the thing though, a lot of like Fugazi and
Asia.
so you can't really tell who's really flexing or not.
I see it. It's the red one.
The red one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm on a mission.
You're on a mission.
Oh my God, yes. Liddy.
Hold that. I'm gonna grab a spoon.
Okay. Oh my God, that looks so good. I've been waiting for this. Try it.
Let's go over there.
Okay.
How was it?
I don't have words. The mochi is really soft. Here, try it. Yeah. It's, oh. Craving satisfied. Right, let me try that.
The actual quick.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? Was it worth it?
Yeah. I give it a 9.3.
9.3. That's such an arbitrary number. Just throw out a number out there. 9.3.45. I double pointed
Not
that.
a perfect 10. I need more mochi. 3 balls isn't enough. I need at least 7 of these.
She loves her balls.
Stop by Starbucks. Go right here. That is not a venti, fam. That is.
Venti in Japan is grande in America. So venti in America is extra large.
I was so confused. I was like, that's not a venti. Is it good? We got the citrus yuzu one. Oh wow.
Yo.
Aw. What does it say?
Welcome to Harajuku.
Aw, so sweet.
That's so nice. But hey, it has little yuzu bits in it. Has like a little citrusy pop.
Yuzu citrus.
Pulp.
I was gonna ask you what's yuzu.
Maybe a Japanese Mandarin orange type deal. See, we're ignorant. I'm gonna look it up right now. What is yuzu? Yuzu is a citrus frutas and plant in the family Rutaceae. It is called yuja in Korean cuisine.
Yuja.
It looks like this.
Oh. Yeah, so it's like an orange.
Like a calamansi.
Yeah, ooh, nice.
I'm not gonna lie, this is probably really good. Probably really good. I can't talk today, guys.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
That's so nice.
Nice.
It brings a tear to my eyes. To my
Hardest things to find is a trash can. Others. Oh. Success.
opened it up. Yeah. Thanks. Coco curry.
Which one are you gonna get? They have the handmade tonkatsu, beef cutlet.
We had beef today, so I'm good. I'm probably gonna do chicken. I might do this one, the chicken cutlet curry. Ooh, they also have fried fish though.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, fried fish curry. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh yeah.
Is it good?
Oh, nice and spicy.
Oh, is it? Ooh, that's that big bite crew. Look at that curry.
Is it zero spicy?
Holy moly!
It's a little spicy. It's level 5, guys. If you guys come here, actually, if you like spicy food, I think you get an out of 5. For sure.
Remember guys, he's Korean.
Man, watch me like 5 minutes, I'm sweating. Little ginger action. Sweating. Stick with 3 guys. Or 2.
Or none. Go with the OG.
Yeah, just go. Just stick with 1 if you want spicy.
If it was original, it would have been like a nice 8 out of 10. If it was spicy, it's a set like a 7.8.
Rating?
Yeah. Spicy, I think 7.8.
I give it a. I give it a 9 out of 10.
Dang.
I love curry. My grandma used to make curry like this. Fire. So good. We need to make a cocoa curry level 10 spicy challenge video. Someone needs to do that.
Alright. Time to go. Bye. What did we get, baby?
Deluxe.
We got the special deluxe.
And a tamago.
The line wrapped all the way
They kicked him
outside. Oh yeah, we have to keep the door closed, that's why.
They kicked him out.
Unfortunately.
my gosh.
That's a lot of noodles.
Not enough noodles.
I can kill that. I could kill that easily. Huh? Maybe they asked for extra large.
Is that even a thing?
I guess so.
They gave me that option.
I know. Oh, Sam. Going in. Itadakimasu. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
I can do this. Oh, yeah. That's okay, I got it. Don't worry. Alright, I'm gonna eat now. Bye.